Getting tired of sending your code every time you log in with Bluesky Social? Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Go ahead and open up your Bluesky. Click the three bars at the top left, and then click the settings from here. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the privacy and security. And as you can see right here, I've enabled the two-factor authentication. Click change right here, and I'm gonna click send verification email. So I'm gonna click send, and as you can see, they send an email to my Gmail. And let me go back to my screen, go ahead to my Gmail right here. Right, if you haven't logged in, please do. And I'm gonna go ahead right here to copy that code right here. I'm gonna copy it, and we're gonna go to my Bluesky and then enter the confirmation code, hit confirm right here. Alright, and as you can see, we disabled the two-factor authentication. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.